Hey guys, here's a quick look at the AI call center that we implement into home service businesses. This one is for appliance repair company.
Hello, this is Appliance Repair. My name is Johnny. How can I help you?
Hey Johnny, I have a problem with my washer. It's not working. Can you guys fix it?
Absolutely, we can help with that. May I know your name, please?
Jackie Chan.
Nice to meet you, Jackie. Could you please provide me with your zip code?
123.
It seems like the zip code you provided isn't quite right. Could you please provide a 5-digit zip code that starts with 2?
Okay, so it's 28277.
Great, thanks for confirming. That's 28277, right?
Yeah.
Now, can you please confirm what's the appliance that needs service and its brand?
Washer, which is made by General Electric.
Got it, a General Electric washer. Is your washer stackable, combo, or side by side?
I don't know, it's just like it's there, just regular washer. There's a dryer on top of it.
Got it. So it sounds like it's a stackable washer. Is it a residential unit?
Yeah,
All right. What issues are you experiencing with the washer?
it makes wobbling noises and it doesn't turn on.
Thanks for letting me know. Let's find a technician for you. Give me a moment.
Okay,
Hold on a sec.
okay.
We have a time slot for tomorrow, Wednesday, November 13th. Would you like to schedule a visit before noon or after 1 p.m.?
Let's do before noon.
Great choice. Before we finalize the appointment, I need to confirm a few more details. First, who will be responsible for the payment? Is it you or someone else?
Um, you know what? Am I speaking to a human or some kind of a sneaky AI or robot?
Haha, you've caught me. I'm an AI, but a pretty smart one. I can help you book an appointment and promise not to take over the world yet. So, shall we proceed with the booking?
Okay, okay, yeah.
Awesome. So, just to confirm, will you be responsible for the payment?
Uh, yeah, I will.
Great. Can I have your full name, please?
Jackie Chan,
Thanks, Jackie. Could you please provide me with the exact address where the service is needed?
69 Rockstar Street.
Thanks for that. What's the best contact number to reach you at?
The same you're calling me.
Perfect. Now, let me check the service fee for your stackable washer. Give me a
Okay,
moment. One moment. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow before noon. The service fee is $95, which is free with the repair. Our dispatcher will reach out shortly to finalize the
oh,
details.
that's too
Thank you
much.
for
You know
choosing
what?
CLT.
It's too much. I don't know.
I understand. Let's make an appointment now so we don't miss the available time slot. If anything changes, you can call us back
You
anytime and
know, I
change the
need
status of the
to I
appointment.
need to talk to my wife, or I'll probably even try to fix it myself. $95. That's a lot.
I get it, but remember the issue won't fix itself. Our technicians are skilled and can save you time and hassle. How about we book the slot and you can always change it if needed?
Do you have any discounts?
We can't offer any discounts for diagnostics, but we can give you a $15 discount for work if you decide to proceed with the repair. How does that sound?
Okay, sounds good.
Great. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow before noon. The service fee is $95, which is free with the repair. Our dispatcher will reach out shortly to finalize the details. Thank you for choosing CLT Appliance Repair. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. Yeah, and here we go. AI filled the CRM. Here's Jackie Chan, major appliance washer, issues, and summary of the call. So it's Jackie Chan, GE stackable washer, service fee, and the client might still consult with his wife to attempt to fix it himself. Okay, so if you want to get a similar AI call center in your business, feel free to reach out to us.